Welcome to week 5. You made it and you're almost finished. This week we'll be reviewing chapters 8, Ethics and the Environment, chapter 12, Establishing a Code of Ethics and Ethical Guidelines, chapter 13, Evaluating Corporate Ethics. The purpose of chapter 18 is to highlight the ethical issues that can pertain to a firm when they have made decisions that are impacting the natural environment. You will be presented material which explains the ethical challenges of addressing natural environmental issues, as well as you will be exposed to how companies can use the natural environment to enhance their competitive advantage and can be directly included in firms' performance evaluations as part of the triple bottom line. Furthermore, current environmental issues such as environmental sustainability and climate change will also be addressed in the chapter. And lastly, the chapter also addresses how firms can use climate change as a strategic option. In chapter 12, this chapter will help you understand the importance of having a code of ethics, as well as to give examples on how a firm can establish or revise their existing code of ethics. The chapter will highlight the linkages between the code of ethics and the various stakeholders. Its important integration is also necessary for the firm to fulfill the needs and expectations of its stakeholders. In addition, understanding the benefits of a good comprehensive code of ethics, firms are able to capture positive goodwill as well as potentially enhance their competitive advantage. Likewise, the chapter presents some examples of good code of ethics and explains why these codes move these companies to the forefront of linking their ethical philosophy with the needs of their stakeholders. Furthermore, the chapter demonstrates how one stakeholder, the government, can significantly influence the content of a code of ethics. The chapter concludes with some examples of global ethics or global code of ethics, which can be used as a starting point for a firm as they move forward from a domestic to a multinational corporation. Lastly, chapter 13 highlights the method in which the ethical vision of the firm can be evaluated. One component is the effective implementation of an ethics training program. Another area presented in the chapter is how to establish a global ethics training program. Thus, the chapter examines the link between enforcement of the ethics training program, the important ethics officer, which has to ensure the ethical standards are met within the firm, is also examined. And furthermore, the chapter also addresses the issues of ethical audits and whistleblowing. The role of government regulations and the impact on other stakeholders are also examined in the evaluation process of the firm's ethical vision. As always, and as a reminder, do not forget to participate early in this week's class discussions. Make sure your initial post is by Wednesday at 11:59 PST or Pacific Time, and respond to 2 classmates with a minimum of 50 words that contributes and furthers their discussion. Your final assignment requires you to read case 19, Patagonia, Don't Buy Our Stuff, and provide your response to the assignment questions. It is important to follow proper APA format to get the maximum grade possible. You are required to complete part 4 of your capstone project. Lastly, you will need to attend a virtual room session on Wednesday at 9 if you have not already done so to complete your 2-session course requirement. Therefore, plan your workload accordingly. I wish everyone a safe and joy-filled week. I have enjoyed our time together and hope your learning experience has been richly fulfilled.